In my last video, I have introduced how to detect a botnet traffics, and uh, in the other video, I also demonstrate how to migrate the uh, local file inclusions, UFV, and also remote code executions vulnerability with the ISP rule. And also, I have demonstrated the rootkit, the LKM rootkit, and also I also demonstrate how to do the pen test with the Nmap and how to do the man in the middle attack, etc. The SQL injection, and all these demonstration. I also have captured the level package in the PCAP, so that just like I just examine the DDoS PCAP file and also the hijack, DNS hijack, and also man in the middle attack PCAP file, network file. You can examine this network package file manually, either by the Wireshark or TCP dump. But you need to have some experience, and also you know how to filter the file, extract the information that's of interest, and then you can further investigate the package. But how about if I do not have any background information about networking, but somehow I have a bunch of PCAP file. For example, I have lots of PCAP file. See here, such as the botnet PCAP file, DDoS file, man in the middle attack, the SQL injection, and some Samba vulnerability attack, etc. I have this kind of PCAP file, but I do not have any experiment to examine the network package using the Wireshark or to use the TCP dump to examine the network package. And however, I have can access some LLM here. For example, I have download some LLM package, some LLM modules. I can you try to use this LLM to analyze the PCAP file? So that I have a program here. See the so this program here. This is the Python program. Then I call the Ollama platform to choose the LLM and then let the LLM to analyze the PCAP file, the level file, to see if there any attack information here. So that the prompt is here that the prompt to ask the LLM to analyze the PCAP file to see is there any attack here, and then finally give me the summary of the finding and also gives the subjections of countermeasure, and also give me the unit cluster rule to detect and block the hacking activities. So let's see how well the LLM to do it for it. So that I have, for example, I have a lot of PCAP file here. I want to examine the man in the middle attack here. So I run the AI here, the man in the middle man attack PCAP file here. Okay, so there is this the available LLM in my host to exam. So that's a several. So I choose this one, JAMA 327B. And then just like the before, you can use the well search because this package is not a new attack here, so that I do not need to go into the search here. No, then it will run the TCP dump to extract the information from this middleman attack, and then give me the finding, what the attack they have discovered, and what countermeasure they suggest, and finally give me the IPS rule, the unit cluster rule, to detect and block these attack activities. So there's some lot of LLM here, but okay, well, this is finished. Okay, so it will identify that it is segment here. Okay, the finding. They found a lot of ARP, so that they identify is ARP portioning. So that this is what is here. So you see that this duplications of ARP, so that it found that this is ARP portioning. Is a portioning attack, and it will give the recommendation countermeasure here, and also it will give me the rule, the zero cluster rule, how to detect it, and how to detect and drop this kind of attack. Okay, so I have run a lot of this PCAP here, PCAP file here, and then I try to run the DDoS, minimum attacks, MySQL attacks, PHP attack, the botnet attack here, so that they give me the answer is of course it's not fully 100% accurate, but somehow they can give you some preliminary investigation, give you the handle. If you do not have any idea of this PCAP, you just fit it into LLM and try to understand the question here. So I have put the result in my GitHub. Okay. Okay, so it's GitHub here so that so I get the PCAP. I upload the demo PCAP here, and also I post the result. For example, the botnet, so that the botnet the traffic for this is capture the traffic of the C2 server and the client communication. Then the result here, open the result here. I found that they can detect the C2 communication. They can detect between which host here. Okay, also give you the countermeasure here. And then I go into the RCE vulnerability here. I see the analysis result here. They give me the okay. So the problem, so the identity of compromise. Okay, they detect the command execution because they get a remote shell here, so that they see the compromise host here. I think not the compromise host here, and then see another the log port here, the log port and the reverse shells is also can identify the IOC here, the unusual shell activities. They give you the unusual shell activities. They can detect that. Okay, so that you can check it out in my GitHub here. In my GitHub under the pen test here, I have a record all the, for example, the middleman attack here, just a SQL injection here. So that let me see what it finding here. So that yeah, they found the SQL injections here. So I do not give any background information to the LLM. I just fit the PCAP file to the LLM and let them do analysis for me. Okay. So DDoS, okay, DDoS, then you can check it out. Okay. Also, there's some interesting finding. Okay. Let me see. Okay. We go into this one. This is I upload all the LLM analysis result here, and also there's a website here. This website here, and this is method analysis, and they have a lot of malware traffic PCAP file. Okay, you can download this one. For example, this is exercise here. For the exercise here, and you can download it. Okay, to examine the PCAP file, and they can also give you the answer here. So that I download this PCAP file, and then check again with the answer here. Okay, let me okay, so I this is a P yeah, this is the answer here. This is the answer of this PCAP exercise here. Then I so that it could the victim host here, and also they had the victim host here, and then they also identify the C2 traffic here, okay, the C2 traffic. So I just extract this one and get to the let's see. Okay, I fit the PCAP file and then I put it into the LLM, usually it's Gemini 3. Okay, I click it, then it give me the finding, and also it also identify the C2 communication, just like this communication, and this host here, 45 to 245. Okay, so I do not give any background information. I just fit the PCAP file and then give me the reason. But of course, there has some limitation of this LLM here. Okay, I show you. I have a list of LLM model here. I have tried several ones, but to my experience, this one is the best. This one is the best. I have tried and other ones. This one somehow it will give me some accurate detection, but they cannot give me much countermeasure or regulatory IP case. For this one, somehow this one, they are quite politically correct. For example, I asked it to analysis this PCAP file, then just give me the answer that I cannot fulfill your request. It's again ethical and moral principle. Okay, so that they cannot help me. Okay, so that when you go into a 70B code llama, they cannot give me. But other one is okay here. But to my this one is the best. Okay, but of course, each LLM also have the limitation of their input token. If your PCAP file is very large, very long, okay, so that they will transcale the rest. Okay, in this case, you may need to split your PCAP file into several chunks and then fit the small piece of chunk to your LLM, and then after analysis each chunk, and then it will give aggregate the result and give it to you. Okay, so then you may this is quite interesting. Okay, you may try to look at this look at the PCAP folder here, the PCAP folder here, and then you can just download the PCAP because it's all no sensitive information. This is all demo. The demo. Okay, if you do not know what is it, you can I put a link here. You can follow this link to see what PCAP file, what malware traffic, attack traffic here. Okay, and also put the YouTube link here. I have already for example, I have demonstrated botnet, the LFI, and also the LM. And also the previous I have developed a using the Nmap LLM to do the vulnerability scan. Okay, you are interested, you can just go into the my panel here, and then yeah, that's the power of it. You can also download the program here, the Nmap program, AI program here. It's just like using the LLM here. Okay, so if you do not have the Ollama, but anyway, you have the ChatGPT API. You have the ChatGPT API. Then you can just connect your ChatGPT to do the examination. Or you can also use the OpenRouter, OpenRouter AI. Let's see. Open AI, OpenRouter is yeah, this one. Okay, once you have, then you can choose any model here. Of course, some are free and some have take charge here. You can subscribe and get the API. Then you can use this if you do not have the Ollama. Okay. So it's quite interesting. You can just fetch your PCAP file to the program to ask the LLM to analyze the result for you. Okay, to see how accurate it can. Of course, the LLM do not have 100% accuracy, but somehow they give you the initial handle to go into the further investigation or examinations.